Hello friends, today we see polynomial. What is meant by polynomial? Poly means many and nominal means terms. Polynomial having many terms. This is chapter class 9, chapter number 3, polynomial. Okay. The term poly means many and nominal means terms. Okay, many terms. And in an algebraic expression, if the power of variable are whole number, then that algebraic expression is called polynomial. Suppose this is the expression p square minus 2p plus 1. Here power of p is 2. Power of p is 2. 2 is a whole number. 2 is whole number. Hence this expression is a polynomial. Okay. Understand what is polynomial? The expression having many terms and power is a whole number. Whole number power is called polynomial. Suppose square root of y plus 5. Square root means raised to 1 upon 2 plus 5. Y raised to 1 upon 2 plus 5. Okay. Here 1 upon 2 is not a whole number. Hence y under root of y plus 5 is not a polynomial. Okay. Suppose 6. 6 is polynomial or not? Okay, number only 6. Okay, but 6 is a polynomial because we have learned the laws of indices. X raised to 0 is equal to x raised to 0 is equal to 1. Means 6 into 1 is equal to 6. 6x raised to 0 means here x and here 0 means 0 is a whole number. Power of x is 0 and 0 is whole number. Hence our expression 6, our number 6 is a polynomial. And we can write in polynomial form 6x raised to 0 is equal to 6 into 1 is equal to 6. Means 6 is also a polynomial. The 6 is a constant number polynomial. Hence it is called constant polynomial. 6 is called constant polynomial. Okay, 6 is called constant polynomial. Understand what is polynomial? Poly means many and nominal means term. The expression having many terms and power is whole number power. The expression having whole number power is called polynomial. Now the next is types of polynomial based on terms. Types of polynomial. Types are based on number of terms. How many terms in the polynomial? Okay, number of term. First type is monomial. Monomial polynomial. Mono. The word mono means one. The polynomial having only one term is called monomial. Example 2x, 5, 6y. These are the monomial. The here in this polynomial only one term. 2x only one, 5, 6y only one term. Hence these polynomials are called monomial. Because number of terms in this polynomial is only one. Okay. Now second, binomial. Monomial, binomial. Bi means two. The polynomial having two terms is called binomial. For example, x square plus x. Here these are the two terms, x square and x. Hence is called binomial. Suppose m square minus 3m. It's called binomial. Here m square and 3m are the two terms. Okay. Types of polynomial on the basis of terms. Binomial means two terms. Monomial means one term. Now third is trinomial. Trinomial. Tri means three. The expression, the polynomial having three terms is called trinomial. Okay. 1, 2 and 3. This polynomial having three terms, hence it is called trinomial. Okay. These are the types of polynomial on the basis of terms: monomial, binomial and trinomial. Now the next one, how to write the polynomial. Okay. For example, we have polynomial px. When the polynomial is in the form of x variable, x square plus 3x minus 5, we can write this polynomial as a px because here we use variable x. Suppose we have the polynomial in the terms of m cube minus 2m plus 9. This polynomial in the terms of m. Hence, you can write this as a qm, means variable m and the polynomial is q. Q polynomial having m variable. Okay. This is method of writing of the polynomial. Now the next one, degree. How to write degree of polynomial? Degree of polynomial. Okay. Degree of polynomial. Suppose our polynomial 2x raised to 7 minus 5x plus 9. 2x raised to 7 minus 5x plus 9. Here the greater degree, here x having degree 7, here x having degree 1. The greater degree is 7. Hence our polynomial has degree 7. Greater number is the degree of this polynomial. 7 is the degree of this polynomial. Here only one variable, x is only one variable. But sometimes in the polynomial there are two variables. Then how to do? 3m cube n raised to 6 plus 7m square n cube minus mn. This is the polynomial having two variables m and n. Okay, m and n are two variables. Now the degree of this term is 3 plus 6, 9. Degree of this term is 2 plus 3, 5. And degree of this term is m raised to 1, n raised to 1, 2. Means degree is n, 9, 5 and 2. Then our degree is 9. Okay. The highest sum of the powers of variable in each term of the polynomial is called degree of polynomial. This is the definition. What is the definition? The highest sum of power of variables, highest sum of power of variable in each term, okay, in each term of the polynomial is called degree, means highest term. Find first plus two variables, then see their degrees: 3 plus 6, 9, 2 plus 3, 5, 1 plus 1, 2. The highest degree is 9. Hence the degree of this polynomial is 9. Okay. Now the next types of polynomial. Again types of polynomial, but this is on basis of degree. Polynomial based on degree. First we see types of polynomial based on number of terms. This is based on degree. Polynomial in one variable and based on degree. Suppose first type is linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. 3x minus 1, 7y. Here degree of this polynomial is 1, degree of this polynomial 1. Hence when the degree of the polynomial is 1, it's called linear polynomial. Here degree is 1 and polynomial is in only one variable. It's called linear polynomial. And the standard form of this polynomial is ax plus b. Ax plus b, where a and b are the coefficients and a is not equal to 0. Linear polynomial a is not equal to 0 and standard form is ax plus b. Okay, this is called linear polynomial having degree 1. Degree 1 linear polynomial. Now degree 2 polynomial. When the degree is 2, this is called quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. 2y square plus y plus 1. The degree of this polynomial is 2. Y square means degree is 2. Hence This polynomial is called the quadratic polynomial, and the standard form of this polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, and a, b, c are the coefficient, but here a is not equal to 0, because when a is 0, this term is 0, and our polynomial is bx plus c. This is a 1 degree polynomial, hence it is a linear polynomial there. Okay, but we see the quadratic polynomial, hence a is never 0, a is not equal to 0. Now the third type, degree 3. Degree 3 polynomial is called cubic polynomial. Cube means 3. Cubic polynomial. X cube plus x square plus 2x plus root 3. Here degree is 3. Hence it is called cubic polynomial. Degree is 3. Standard form of the cubic polynomial is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Okay, here also a is not equal to 0. When a is 0, then this term is called quadratic polynomial, degree having 2. Here x having 2 degree, and then become it the quadratic polynomial. We here teach cubic polynomial, hence a is not equal to 0. These are the 3 types of the polynomial based on degree, and 3 types based on the number of terms. Okay, understand the types of polynomial. Now next we see standard form of polynomial. What is the standard form? Standard form of polynomial. Suppose our polynomial px is equal to x minus 3x square plus 5 plus x raised to 4. This is our polynomial. We can write this polynomial in ascending, descending means proper form, standard form. We first write the variable having greater degree. Here x raised to 4 is a higher. 4 is the greater degree. Next, there is no term having degree 3. Hence we can write here 0 and x cube. Plus, now see the variable having degree 2. Here minus 3x square. Hence we write minus 3x square. X square, then x plus 5 means here the variable having degree 3 is not present. We take here 0. Then this polynomial is called standard form of the polynomial. Standard form of the polynomial, or it is also called index form. This form is also called index form. Okay. Now write this standard form in the coefficient form. Coefficient form means write the coefficient of all the terms. Here first x4, x raised to 4. Coefficient of x raised to 4 is, here no coefficient means we take here 1. X cube having coefficient 0, x square having minus 3, x having 1, and last term is constant 5. This is a coefficient form. This is index form. It is also called standard form, or this is coefficient form. Write coefficient of all the terms. Okay, understand? Standard form and coefficient form. Now we see practice set 1.1. Practice set 1.1. Here first question, followings are the polynomials or not. We find that these expressions are polynomials or not. First expression is y plus 1 upon y. This is polynomial or not? Y. 1 upon y means y raised to minus 1. Minus 1 is not a whole number. Our definition is the expression having degree, whole number degree. This is called the polynomial. Here minus 1 is not a whole number. Hence this is not a polynomial. Okay. Second, 2 minus 5 root x. 2 minus 5 root x. 2 minus 5. Root x means x raised to 1 upon 2. Here the variable x is having the power degree 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 is not a whole number. Hence this is also not the polynomial. Now next, x square plus 7x plus 9. Here x square, x having the degree 2, 1. These are the whole number degree. Hence this is the polynomial. This expression is a polynomial. Suppose we have 10. 10 is polynomial or not? So yes, 10 is the polynomial. 10 x raised to 0. X raised to 0 means 1. 10 into 1 is equal to 10. We see this x raised to 0 laws of indices. Okay. 10 into 1 is equal to 10. This is also 10 is also a polynomial. Okay. Now the next question, write the polynomial in standard form. We have given polynomial m cube plus 3 plus 5m. We write this polynomial in a standard form. How to write it standard form? First m cube. Here m square. No terms having m square. Then m square. Then 5m. M square is not present. Hence we take here 0. 0 m square plus 5m plus 3. M cube plus 0 m square plus 5m plus 3. Okay, this is called a standard form. This is standard form. And hence we ask to write coefficient form. Write this term in coefficient form. Write the coefficient of all the terms. M cube 1, 0, 5 and 3. This is the coefficient of this expression. Okay. Now minus 7y plus y raised to 5 plus 3y cube minus 1 upon 2. This is the expression polynomial. Write in standard form. First the highest degree is y raised to 5 plus 0 y raised to 4 plus 3y cube plus 0 y square minus 7y minus 1 upon 2. This is a standard form of the polynomial. Write the coefficient. Coefficient 1, 0, 3, 0, minus 7 and minus 1 upon 2. Okay, this is the coefficient form and standard form. Both are here. This is standard and this is coefficient form. Okay. In this practice set, all the examples are based on coefficient form and standard form. We solve all these examples. Okay. Understand what is coefficient form and standard form and the types of the polynomial based on degree and based on number of terms. Okay. In next video, in next lecture, we see practice set 1.2 and operation based on the polynomial, addition, subtraction, division and multiplication. Okay friends, if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so we get the updates of the new videos. Okay, bye.